Hi students, today we shall start composition of functions. In my previous class we have done relation. Now composition, what is composition of function? We have done 1 to 1, 1:1 function A to B. Now composition function is function A to B, then B to C in composition from A to C. Here let X be any element. Here three sets A, B, C are three sets. Function F from A to B and function G is B to C, and in total that is the composition, that is A to C is from A to C. It is A to B from B to C, from A to B, then B to C, and it is from A to C. That is composition of function. Let X be any element, and function of X from A to B is Fx, and here from B to C, here Gx is any element. Function of G from B to C is G of Fx, that is Gfx, and function from A to C is G of Fx, that is GOF. What is GOF? GOF denoted by A to C and A to B. A function A to B is Fx and B to C is Gx. Fx is A to B and it is G of Fx is B to C, and from A to C is G of Fx, that is GOF. In this case, A to C, here FOG not equals to GOF. FOG and GOF are not equal. Now let us do sums related composition of function. Here sum number 1 is given. Let F be a function, this is A to B, and G be a function, this is B to. Suppose this is A to B is this, and this is B to C 1 to 5, then B to C, it is this function. We have to find GOF and FOG. Here define these two functions defined as 1 with 2. F is function 1 with 2. This is ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 5. 3 with 5 and 4 with 1. 4 with 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. This is function of F, and function of G is 1 with 3 and 1 with 3, 2 with 3. That is actually 3, 3, 1, 3, 3. There you can check it. 1 with 3, 2 with 3, and 5 with 1. This is given, defined as A to C, A to B, and B to C. We have to find GOF and FOG. Now, from this relation we can take F1, this is domain, this is range. So F1 is 2, F3 is 5, F4 is 1. This is domain, this is range, this is image, and this is pre-image. And G1 is 3, G2 is 3, G5 is 1. We have to find G of F. G of F equals to G of Fx. G of Fx equals to G of, what is Fx? F1. F1. That is G of F1 is what? 2. G of G2. F1 is 2. That is G2. What is G2? Is 3. That is 1 with 3. Now G of F3 equals to G of, what is F3 is 5, G5, that is, what is G5? A G5, that is 1. Again G of F4 equals to G, what is F4? F4 is 1, G1. What is G1? Is 3. Therefore, GOF equals to, we can write 1 3 1 3 5 1 and 1 1 3 5 1 and 1 3. One, 3, 5, 1 and F4. F G of F4. F4 is 1. G1 is 3. What is F4? G1 is 3, 1, 3. That is 3, 1, 3. Okay, fine. That is G1, 3, 3, 1. F4. This is 4, 3. 4 is 3. So this is GOF. So this is the image. 3 1 3 3 1 3 is image, and this is pre-image 1 1 3 and F1 1 3 and 4. Why 1 3 3 is 1 1 3 3 1 4. 3 is 1 image of 1 is 1 image is 3. 3 image is 1 and 4's image is 3. The 1, 3, 3, 1 and 4. This is GOF. Now you have to find FOG. Now let us take FOG. FOG equals to F of GX. That is F. What is GX? G1. F of G1. That is F. What is G1? Is 3. What is F3? That is 5. So one image is 5. Again, F of G2. That is F. What is G2? G2 is 3. That is, what is F3? F3 is 5. F of G5. That is F of, what is G5? G5 is 1. That is F1. What is F1? F1 is 2. So FOG equals to 1 image 1 5 2 5 and 5 2. This is 1 5 2 5 and 5 2. That is the FOG, and we got GOF equals to 1 3 3 1 and 4 3. Look here. Here FOG not equals to GOF. Not equals to GOF. Now let's start sum number 2. Sum number 2. Let A be a set whose range is minus 3 by 5 and B be a set whose range is minus 7 by 5. Here A, here relation, here fx A to B fx equals to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3, and B to A gy equals to 3y plus 4 by 5y minus 3y plus 4 plus 5y minus 7. We have to find, show that GOF equals to IA and FOG equals to IB. I is an integer. Now let x be any element, let x belongs to A. Let x be element belongs to A. You have to find GOF. We have to find GOF means G of fx. That is G of, what is fx? G of 7x plus 4y 5x minus 3. F g of fx, g this you should be treated as a y, that is g of y. Suppose this is y, g of y, that is put it here 7 into y, here 3, this g of y you have to put it here, that is 3 into 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 plus 4 over 5 into gy, put it here, here is g, this is treated as y, this should be treated as y, so gy is this, instead of y putting this value, 5 into y value is, this is as y, this should be treated as y, 7x plus 4 y 5x minus 3 minus 7. Now let us break it. 21x plus 12 plus 20x minus 12 over 35x plus 20 minus 35x minus plus 21. This and this cancel, this and this cancel, that is 41x by 41, that is x. So we got x means IA, it is A to B is IA, let x be n elements, that is IA. So we got g of x, therefore g of f equals to IA, that is related with x. Now you have to find FOG. Let y belongs to B, then let y belongs to, then FOGY equals to FO. What is GY is this 3y plus 4 by 5y minus 7, that is should be treated as x, that is fx. That is equals to, put it the value in x, equals to 7 into, instead of x putting y, that is 3y plus 4 by 5y minus 7 plus 4 over 5 into, this should be treated as x, put it here, 3y plus 4 by 5y minus 7 minus 3. This equals to 21x plus 28 plus 21y plus 28 plus 20y minus 28 over 15y plus 20 minus this by 1, 15y plus 21 equals 28, 20 cancel, 15 cancel, that is 41y by 41, that is y. So we got FOG equals to I, y, IB, y is B to A, this is YIB, hence GOF equals to IA and FOG equals to IB root. Now let's do next sum, sum number 3. Sum number 3. If real number to real number, this is the function f x equals to x square minus 3x plus 2, find f of fx. Here real number to real number function, f of fx you have to find. That is equals to f of fx. What is fx? Put it here. F of x square minus 3x plus 2. This will be treated as capital X. Now this will be put it here equals to f x equals to f of x, put it here, capital X square minus 3 capital X plus 2. This is treated as capital X. That is x square minus 3x plus 2 whole square. This will be treated as capital X square minus this is whole square minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 2. Then we can, if after break this we can get x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 10x square minus 34. After simplification, that is the final answer. Next, sum number 4. If another sum number 4, it is function real number to real number fx equals to 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1/3. It is given so that f of fx equals to x cube. You have to, just like previous sum, f of fx you have to find. That is f of 3 minus x cube whole square. This should be treated as capital Y. This whole thing. That is f of this we have to put, instead of x we have to put this. That is 3 minus x cube whole cube to the power 1/3. That is 3 minus this cancel. 3 plus x cube cancel. That is x cube. This f of fx, what is fx is given. That is x, f of fx, show that this equals x cube. So f of fx is this, and instead of x put it here. F of fx whole power to the power 1/3. This is treated as y. Then put it here, instead of x put it here. Next, sum number 5. Sum number 5. Here let real number to real number, that is the function. Here fx equals to x square. Another function real number to real number, gx equals to 2x plus 1. Find FOG and GOF. Here FOG, f of gx, that is f of gx, that is, what is gx? Is this f of 2x plus 1. F of gx, now fx put it here, that is 2x plus 1 whole square. This is treated as x, put it here, 2x plus 1 whole square, that is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So f of gx, that is f o g equals to this. Now got g of f. G of f is g of fx equals to g of, what is fx? Is this x square. Now put it here, that is 2x square plus 1. So g of f is 2x square plus 1 and FOG is this. Therefore, GOF not equals to FOG. Now, please make a note of the sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.